Option O, Lagom P64. It's been a few weeks since we got it. Just want to share the feedback about this equipment. In short, it's a game changer. It's really superior quality. I mean, like, we love this grinder. This one is 2020 late December model, just arrived recently, with high uniformity burrs. We really like it, how it performs, how quiet it is. The quality of build is just insane. And the grind quality, comparing to the old Profitec T64 Pro, you can't compare those two. This one is way superior. I'll just show you like our typical routine with single dosing. In these tubes, I think I put like 17.5 grams, freshly roasted. The bottle comes with glass, pretty nice. You don't have to go crazy, just a little bit. And since it's wet, sometimes it sticks inside. Now it's set to speed, I think 8 or 8.5. The portafilter and the funnel, they fit just perfectly. There is like just enough play. The holder is very nice, it doesn't vibrate, it doesn't get loose, like you don't have to worry it's gonna drop. And you just start. It's super quiet. Like now I don't wake up anybody at the house. I start mornings very early and it's not a problem noise-wise. The old one T64, it was super loud and no vibrate. It was look at the quality of the grinds. So fluffy. It's like beautiful. Alright, for demonstration, we'll just use a glass to show you the quality. Basically pre-infuse a little bit. I think we're gonna start seeing something more. And get the handle here. Once I see, and open up. I mean, this is overdone, but yeah, for cappuccino, it should be alright. Also, because the grinds are so fluffy, it's feasible to actually use single dose basket with like 10.5 grams. It was not possible with my old T64, but with this grinder, 10.5 grams fill up the basket, like you can properly compact it and distribute and press. So it's like very nicely. And so here we have for workflow, there's a bunch of single dose sorted out and full dose of 17.5, around 17 to 17.5, depends what beans I'm using. Yes, that's the setup. Can't get enough of this, it's just beautiful. And this is a used coffee cakes, so you can see the quality, and also you see this is single dose, like proper form and shape and color. It wouldn't be possible with Profitec T64. It would be all muggy, like basically you would just dump a bunch of mud. It would never be a cake. But with this one you can properly actually do single dose, as I mentioned. Yeah, the color, the texture is just very nice.